Let's count jungle fruits with Leo and Milo. Hi friends, look, it's Leo the lion and Milo the monkey. Milo needs help learning to count to 10. Can Leo teach him? Of course. Let's go on a fun fruit-finding adventure in the jungle together. Wow, look at all the yummy fruits around us. Leo found a banana, one banana. Can you help him and Milo count more? Look up in the trees, behind the bushes, and under the vines. How many fruits can you see? Great job, explorers. You helped Leo and Milo count all the way to 10. Aren't you amazing? Keep practicing your counting at home. What else can you find to count? See you next adventure.